Welcome to Feast of the Saints. I'm Layla Wapskineh. Today we're celebrating the Feast of St. Patrick. When Patrick was about 16 years old, he was captured by Irish pirates from his home in Britain. He was taken as a slave to Ireland and served as a shepherd. After 6 years, he escaped and returned home. He was called to the priesthood and felt compelled to return to Ireland to bring the faith to the Irish people. To celebrate his feast day, we will be making Colcannon, a traditional Irish dish. Here I have a pot of cubed potatoes. I'm going to boil them for 20 minutes or until softened. In a separate pot, I'm going to blanch the cabbage for 1 minute, then drain the excess liquid and set aside. I've drained the potatoes. Now I'm going to add butter, salt, pepper, milk, and green onion. Then I'm going to mix until smooth and creamy. Last, add in the blanched cabbage. Then mix to combine. Dia is Miragwich on this St. Patrick's Day. If you enjoyed this video, visit our website, feastofthesaints.com, for more recipes like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.